before the end of the year. So ang ginawa, lahat ng preps in-implement. Diba? And as I said, government offices disperse millions, billions in a day. Sa DepEd, nagdi-disperse kami. Nagdi-disperse. Pumipirma kami ng check multi-million. Kung i-total mo ang mga checks araw-araw na nalalabas sa DepEd, billions. Nagbabayad kami, nagbabayad. So, bakit nila kini-question yung pagbabayad ng millions in a day? And that is, part of work of government offices to disperse money every day and pay obligations. Ginamit yun sa trabaho.
Okay, thank you.